Is this the best vocal microphone for singers? I'll let you be the judge. Because in this video, I'm going to compare this KSM8 to some more common and cheaper microphones. Well, hey, if you don't know me, my name is Dylan, Cade's beardless brother, and I'm a part of the Collaborate worship team, and we're here to help you create a great mix every time. Speaking of creating a great mix every time, who doesn't want to improve the sound quality that they get from their vocalist? That's what Shure set out to do with this KSM8. They developed a whole new technology to improve control of proximity effect, presence peaks, and mic bleed. The mic is what they call a dual-dyne cardioid dynamic microphone, and it's a hybrid between a dynamic microphone and a condenser. If you don't know the difference between a dynamic and a condenser mic, be sure to check out our video on that topic. I'll leave a link in the description. Just wait till this one's over. In simple terms, the KSM8 will give you a warmer, smoother, more natural sound, while also cutting out some unwanted mic bleed and helping with off-axis coloration for those vocalists who can't seem to keep their mic in one spot. The KSM8 comes in at $400, so it's definitely not a budget microphone, especially when you compare it to the very popular workhorse, the Shure SM58. Let's see if it's worth 4 times as much though. I'm gonna talk and sing into each microphone to give you a sample of each, then I'll play the clips back to back. I will then show mic bleed rejection by banging on the drums a little bit. But before we get into the examples, I wanna take 15 seconds to tell you about our online training, Church Sound Made Simple. Here's the thing, a fancy microphone will not solve all of your sound issues. You also gotta get it right at the mixer. Imagine a team where everyone is confident in their mixing skills and the results are consistent each week. That's why we created Church Sound Made Simple. To show you what it's like inside of the training, we want to give you our vocal EQ cheat sheet. You can download it for free using the link in the description. Alright, now let's get into these examples. I am now talking into the KSM8 microphone so that you can hear what it sounds like and if it sounds like $400. And now I'm going to switch over to the Shure SM58. Now I'm talking into the SM58, which is probably one of the most commonly used vocal microphones, and it's $100. How much worse does it sound? Mic check, 1, 2, 3, 4, test, test. 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 I'm caught up in your presence. I just wanna sit here at your feet. I'm caught up in this holy moment. I never wanna leave. I'm caught up in your presence. I just wanna sit here at your feet. I'm caught up in this holy moment. I never wanna leave. If you're enjoying this video and want to see more product reviews like this, let us know with a like. Then go down to the comments and give us your thoughts on the KSM8. Is it worth the money, or would you prefer to stick with the tried and true SM58? If you're having trouble with mic bleed or having trouble with a specific vocalist not cutting through the mix in a pleasing way, I would recommend getting one to try it out. I personally continue to use the Sennheiser E835 because I don't have either of those issues, but one of our female vocalists had both of those issues and it helped her out a lot. And before you ask, yes, she does sing a little on the quieter side, but she is very familiar with proper singing techniques and knows the importance of giving the mixer a good strong signal to work with. In case you're curious to know what the difference is with her voice, I had her record some clips on the KSM8 and the SM58 as well. Here they are.
What a beautiful name it is. What a beautiful name it is. The name of Jesus Christ, my King. What a beautiful name it is. What a beautiful name it is. The name of Jesus Christ, my King.
If you found this video interesting or useful, let us know with a like. You might also want to check out our new t-shirt store where you'll find some awesome designs specific to church sound techs just like this one. I'll leave a link in the description to that as well. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.